Samaira Sandhu, and today I'm going to tell you how you can get ready at home for the festivities around the corner. Raksha Bandhan is right here. So let's do an amazing look on her. I'm going to do like a very nice flawless base, very nice bright eyes and very nice contour, soft cheeks that don't look like makeup. I've cleaned her skin with a makeup remover. I'm going to tone her skin to just refreshen it a little bit more and get the pH right. I'm going to warm the serum on my palms and apply it for hydrating her skin so it just looks radiant and glowy. So I'm going to apply concealer on my model's lid. I start the makeup usually with the eyes so that any fallouts can be taken care of by just wiping it off and the foundation remains fresh. So I'm going to do the lipstick on the eyes. I'm just applying this brownie lipstick on the lid and I'm going to smudge it for that strong, extra long-lasting effect. Just giving a soft wash on the lash line. I'm going to smudge it on the lid. I'm using a petite brush to smudge the lower lid. You can use any tiny brush that just targets the specific area, not a very wide brush, because a wider brush can spread the color all over. So be very cautious. Depositing a matte color very similar to the previous liquid lipstick to just give a little depth and strength to the color so it doesn't move. Using the same brush, just depositing my matte shadow on top. Now I'm going to do like a little shine color on the lid because we all love shine and why not, it does no harm. I'm just tapping it a little bit in the center of the lid to add that popping, opening effect on the lid. It just makes you feel like the eyes are opened up a little more. And now we are depositing a little black eyeshadow to add that depth on the lid, on the lash line, sorry. Now we're just adding a little shine in the corner for that festive, bright look. You can use any frosty shadow that you have. I'm just going to fill in a little gaps, if at all. We won't make it very stark, but yes, for pictures, you have to fill in the gaps. That's how it looks defined. Finishing off the makeup using my favorite mascara on the lashes. Just going in, coating them so that they just look fluttery and give a little definition on the lid. So I'm just gonna apply a very thin lash for her. I've applied glue as thick as the band of the lash. Look down, see? And going in all the way, very close to the lash line. Using a skin color nude liner in the waterline. Now curling in the lashes. Don't get scared, get a hang of curling in your own lashes. They do wonders. Ask yourself or the person you're doing it on if you're holding the skin or no. And just press it like 10 counts and your lashes are open. Yes. I'm using an orange corrector. So you can just apply a little bit, don't apply too much. Applying a concealer very close to her skin tone, not going light, because applying a lighter concealer can enhance or show your imperfections more. Just dabbing it in. Pressing the concealer, don't rub or drag the color, because if you drag, you tend to move the orange corrector underneath. I'm just using a drop of foundation on the skin. The concealer can be a little warmer than the skin tone, and that's how you get that concealed effect. If you go lighter, it will show. However, you can come back to your own skin color with the use of the right skin color foundation, as you can see in the picture. do a very soft contour on her cheeks to add a little definition in the face. I use my blush brush to do this. You can use any blush that you want. Just smile and put the color on the apple of your cheeks and drag it all the way in the direction of the blush. Adding a little highlighter for that glow from within look. Adding a tiny bit on the highlighting points of your face. That is the temples, the chin, the cupid's bow, bridge of your nose. You can finish this look with any lipstick of your choice. You can go brighter, softer, because we have done a very neutral look on the eyes. There are no restrictions of bright or soft lip. Some people prefer soft, some people prefer very, very nude, some people prefer a bright red lipstick. I'm going to add a little neutral color up to make it a little less mauve. I want a little neutral color and I'm not going all over, just in the center to give that full mouth illusion. Add a little dot of soft color and dab it with a tiny brush. I'm using my finger